Hey, good morning LCers. Welcome back to our program Teatu, Teaching Tutorial Program at Language Center Paris. So, today, my name is Eko. I would like to explain about 5 phrasal verbs using on. Right? Alright. So, number 1. Come on. Jadi, pada kesempatan hari ini, saya akan menjelaskan 5 phrasal verb yang menggunakan on. Jadi nomor satunya come on. Langsung contoh dalam bahasa Inggris ya. Come on, everybody is waiting for you. Ya, come on, everybody is waiting for you. Artinya, ayo cepetan. Ya, setiap orang sedang menunggumu. Ya, come on, everybody is waiting for you. Right? Number 2. Nomor 2. Can't you hold on a minute? Can't you hold on a minute? Nah, hold on di sini artinya tunggu. Ya, can't you hold on a minute? Bisakah kamu menunggu sebentar? Nah, oke. Can you hold on a minute? Next, number 3. Don't stop working. Carry on. Don't stop working. Carry on. Ya. Jadi artinya jangan berhenti kerja. Lanjutkan kerjamu. Ya, don't stop working. Carry on. Okay, next, number 4. Don't stop here. Please go on. Don't stop here. Please go on. Artinya gini, jangan berhenti di sini. Terus lanjutkan, kan? Kalau di sini carry on nih lanjutin kerjanya. Kalau di sini don't stop here, please go on. Jadi kita naik kendaraan transportasi, nggak stop di situ tapi lanjutin terus kendaraannya, suruh lanjutin terus gitu ya. Oke, number 5. How are you getting on in your job? Okay, how are you getting on in your job? Ya, getting on artinya manage, mengatur. Ya, gimana kamu mengatur pekerjaanmu? Okay, so everybody say, come on, come on, come on. Everybody's waiting for you. Can't you hold on a minute? Can't you hold on a minute? Don't stop working. Carry on. Don't stop here. Please go on. How are you getting on in your job? Okay, alright. So I hope these 5 phrasal verbs using on are very useful for you. So if you like this video, please subscribe or share. Okay. If you want to comment or request, you can see this one. See you my next video. Thank you so much. Mau belajar bahasa Inggris? Jadi
Kampung Inggris LC.
Bye-bye.
Kampung Inggris LC.